Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll talk about spray and seal from Sonax, this product here. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Alan here for Geeky Details. I hope you guys are doing well. So, spray on seal from Sonax. Now this is a sealant, we'll give you that extra protection for about 3 months. It's got hybrid polymer technology, so it'll be safe, let's say, on your already protection if you have anything like that on your paintwork, like waxes, sealants, or even ceramic coatings. And this is a wet application, so after you washed your car and rinse it off, you just spray this on. Make sure, guys, you spray it on cold surfaces, so make sure you don't apply this in direct sunlight. When you apply it, apply 2 to 3 sprays onto a panel and then rinse it off quickly. You can use this as maintenance, meaning your ceramic coatings need some maintenance every 2 to 3 months. So you can use this as maintenance for that ceramic as well. It's very slick to the touch. And let's say if your car doesn't have any protection whatsoever, after you wash your car properly and decontaminate, obviously, but click the link up there to see how you can decontaminate your car properly. You can use this just for that extra protection as well. So I'm going to show you guys in a minute how to apply it. So this bottle's got 750 millilitres, goes around now for about £17 on Amazon, but don't worry guys, I'm going to put a link in the description below. Right, so now I'm going to show you guys how to apply it. Right guys, just going to show you now how to apply it. But before that, I'm going to show you exactly this paintwork, already some protection, it's got ceramic coating. Let me show you. So, as I said previously in the video, this is so easy to apply, especially on ceramic coatings or waxes or sealants. So, you shake the product, you put the nozzle on, you just spray on 3 times to that panel, then you rinse it off. Right guys, so you see how easy that was. Make sure guys you don't apply this in direct sunlight or hot surfaces. Right guys, there's no protection on this bonnet. The water barely seeps off. Now apply spray and seal. Now you can see the difference. Right guys, spray and seal from Sonax. So I'll show you guys how to apply it. Quick review about this product. Well, this is Alan from Geeky Details. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget guys, if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much guys, and I'll see you in the next one.